colour in, the magic will begin, and together we'll make the picture come real.
Draw us a picture, Louie.
Take a look and see how easy it can be. Come along and draw with me. So
Draw us a picture, Louie.
Louie, draw me a wolf. But, Grandma, what big ears you have.
all the better to hear you with, my dear. Hello there, my friends.
Hello, Louie. Hello, Yoko.
Can you guess what we're playing?
Little Red Riding Hood.
Well done. And me, I'm the big nasty wolf who's disguised as Grandma.
And I'm Little Red Riding Hood. Woo! Go on, Louie. Oh, Grandma, what big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with, my dear.
Grandma, what big teeth you have.
All the better to...
But that's no good at all, Louie. You're not a very good wolf. You're not supposed to laugh.
It's difficult to play the baddie, but I know what we need. A real wolf. Don't move. I'll be back, Yoko.
A wolf? A real wolf! Yippee! Now he'll know how to play a baddie.
Ooh. I'm back. To draw a wolf, I start by drawing a point for his ear. And then another point for his other ear. And then I draw his cheeks with some points on the side for his fur coat.
How will you draw his muzzle?
I draw a triangle with a circle for his snout.
And his mouth?
You draw a line like that. And to finish his head, all he's missing is his eyes.
I'll do it! I'll do it! Two lines for his eyes.
Bravo, Yoko! And then I draw a line for his back. And I come down to draw his tail.
And now I draw his legs. 1, 2.
A line straight across. 3 and 4. Not forgetting to draw his feet with some claws. And now we have to...
Colour him in.
Hello and good morning. My name's Ralph, my friends.
Hello, my name's Louie and my friend's Yoko.
Do you want to play Little Red Riding Hood with me?
Not Little Red Riding Hood again. Oh, no. I've had more than enough of playing nasty big bad wolves. Thanks to Little Red Riding Hood, the whole world thinks that all wolves are big bad wolves.
I suppose that's true.
We wolves are no bigger or badder than any other animals. And we have lots of talents. We know how to sing, for example. Bow, 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 bow.
Louie, what about my Little Red Riding Hood show?
To draw a wolf, you start with the head. You draw an ear in the shape of a point.
And the other ear.
And then you draw 3 points on each side for his fur.
You draw a triangle for the muzzle with a circle for the snout.
You add his mouth by drawing a line.
And 2 little lines for his eyes.
And then you draw a horizontal line for his back.
Then you come back down to draw his tail.
You draw his back legs, a line for his tummy, and then...
his front legs.
And you come back up to join the head.
And don't forget the claws at the end of his feet.
And you can colour him in however you like. Hello.
Hello, my name's Ludo, the wolf cub.
Hello, Ludo. Do you want to play Little Red Riding Hood?
Oh, yes. Can I be Little Red Riding Hood?
Yippee! Whee! Cooey!
Knock, knock, knock.
Who's there?
It's your granddaughter, Little Red Riding Hood.
Come in!
Oh, Grandma! What big ears you've got, Grandma!
They're not ears, they're antennae.
Oh, Grandma! And what big eyes you have!
You think?
Oh, Grandma! Also, what big teeth!
Not at all. I've got very small toothy pegs.
What a grand show.
Very original.
Thank you. Thank you. In any case, there's one thing I'm sure of. It's not easy playing baddies when you're as kind as me.
And now, friends, if you'd like to draw a wolf, have a go. See you soon, friends.
See you soon, Louie.